But hey guys, I'm Braden with Solid Woodworks, and here we're going to look at the Toyota 4Runner 6th generation hybrid trail hunter, and this is our newest model on our Solid Woodworks kit. So we have two drawer slides here with 250-pound slides with locking mechanisms on either side. One locking, one regular slide. And we offer two false tops here. You can do bamboo on both, metal on both, or a mix of two. We've got plenty of space down in both of these kits. And we've got dividers and separators here. You can customize these to your liking, however many that you need. And we've got storage cubbies over on the side, on either side, where you have plenty of room to be able to store your devices. And then since this is the trail hunter, we also have an access cubby down over into your onboard air compressor. If you need a little bit more access, you can keep this drawer outside and you have plenty of room to be able to reach over into there and get access right into your control panel, however you need. And then in the front, we've got our 60-40 split here for sleeping. That's gonna be held together by two pins on the side. To be able to get these off, all you need to do, slide your knob here, go ahead and fold that. And then these just come straight off, and these can be stored down in your car, wherever that you need. Side one over here pops off the exact same way. That one doesn't have a hinge, so that's gonna slide off and get stored however you need. And this is excellent for sleeping. One of our best kits. We hope you like it.